Journey through directions. Explore English prepositions of direction. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today we are embarking on a new adventure. We are diving into the fascinating world of prepositions of direction. We're going to be focusing on three main ones today: to, from, and towards. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these prepositions confidently in your everyday English conversations. Before we venture into our specific prepositions, let's make sure we all understand what a preposition is. Prepositions are words that link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They specify direction, place, time, and many other relationships. When it comes to direction, our prepositions become essential tools to express movement in a sentence. Let's begin with to. To is a preposition we often use to express movement towards a place or a person. For instance, 1. John is going to the supermarket. 2. I gave the book to my friend. See how to shows the destination or the receiver in these sentences. Great, let's move on. Next up is from. From is generally used to express the starting point of a movement or action. Here are a couple of examples. 1. The plane flew from New York to London. 2. She received a gift from her mom. Here, from denotes the starting point or the giver in the context. Finally, let's talk about towards. Towards indicates direction in a more general sense. It is used when the movement is in the direction of something, but not necessarily all the way to it. For example, 1. The cat ran towards the mouse. 2. They are heading towards the stadium. In both cases, towards indicates a general direction but doesn't guarantee the end point. So there you have it, language explorers. Today we journeyed through the realm of prepositions of direction: to, from, and towards. Now, it's time for you to put this knowledge into practice. Try making your own sentences using these prepositions. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you on our next English language adventure. Happy learning!